Hi guys, hope you have a fantastic day and welcome to the channel. So today we have a little bit of a different setup. It's a lot more nicer and professional because my friend Niva right here, well, he decided to make it a really nice car and he said, look, I'm gonna record it, I'm gonna edit your videos and you're gonna make me some awesome Lada. And I was like, okay, let's do it. So we have a bunch of parts that we need to go through today. We need to show you this Lada in what condition it is, and then we can start working on it. So yeah, let me show you some parts. My absolutely favorite part is this plastic piece, and it has room for a 2D radio. It's gonna have a CarPlay, it's gonna be screen touch, you can put navigation on it, and it's just gonna be so awesome. So we have some speakers to put in this car and it's just going to be awesome. So when we are on the interior, then we can go to this armrest and it's just a little bit of comfort. It's gonna make driving just a lot easier to cruise. And what else? We have this awesome steering wheel. I don't know why, but I really like this black logo on the new steering wheel. The old one is pretty beat up, so this just gonna make this car just a lot nicer and it's just gonna be looking so good. So what's the plans for this car? We need to paint the whole car in the Raptor, so we need to remove so many parts. First, what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove all the interior. We have new insulation here and that's just gonna refresh the interior and it's going to be awesome. Then we need to lift the car, remove the whole front suspension, back suspension, we need to remove the transfer case, and then we have these awesome new springs to install, new shocks, new brake lines, new spring mounts, and I don't know, new bushings. And there is so much here that I can't even tell you, but from underneath the table there's a bunch of stuff, so this is going to be one awesome project. Then we need to go to the exterior. We have this brand new mask and emblem from Lada Urban. It's gonna just look a lot nicer. We have some brand new doorknobs because I don't like chrome, so it's just gonna look a lot nicer. We have some new lights here and I'm trying to get him to buy new headlights. I got it because it's going to be awesome. And when we are already here, we can put some new wipers, wiper motor, wiper assembly, and it's going to be just so cool. But we of course need to do some body work. It's just a little pieces, but before painting everything needs to be perfect. And guys, I think that's pretty much it. Once again, I have so much stuff, but I can mention everything. You're gonna see in the bunch of videos we're gonna do. Everything is going to be recorded, so it's going to be a really cool build. So yeah guys, now it's time to show you the car and then we can start working. Well guys, we lowered the car a bit to show you what we're gonna do for bodywork and painting. Then we are gonna leave the car and show you what else we need to do underneath the car. But the interior is just so boring and we are gonna remove everything. I'm not gonna show you anything because there is nothing to show you. So yeah, one thing I forgot to tell you is I'm gonna remove the front windshield and I'm gonna replace it as well because it's just in bad condition. So we're gonna remove all the glass on this car, so the side windows, the back windows, everything needs to go. So what we need to do from the bodywork? There is a bunch of rust spots, a little rust spots we need to fix, but that's just a lot of things. Then when we move to the left side fender, we can see that it's in really good condition, so that's just awesome. When we are on the front side, we have a little bit of damage here, but for Lada this is just awesome. Nothing too much, but I'm just happy. I'm happy how this Lada looks. Well, when we go on the side blinker, there is rust here, and I'm pretty sure that if I try to go through it, it will go easily. So we are gonna cut this and replace it, but that's not too much of the problem. So when we go to the right fender, there is some rust spot, and right here is the biggest problem. We need to fix this, so we are gonna cut this and put the new piece in. But for Lada, this is just such a common thing to do, but well, you need to do what you need to do. So yeah, what we need to do next, when we go here on these side windows, there is some rust spot, but nothing too much, but it needs to get fixed. The rear fender is in really good condition. Then we go on the back. Somebody hit right here, so we need to pull this dent out. We need to make it nice and straight to get it painting to see, and everything needs to look nice. So when you go to the back door on the Lada, there is so many cases where the back door is just gone, but this one is in really good condition, so we're just gonna clean it and reuse it. This whole Lada is in pretty good condition. I'm pretty happy. And we go on this side and everything is the same. There is a little rust here. The fenders are in pretty good condition. So at the end of the day, this car doesn't need to do much of body work, and I'm really happy about it. So yeah guys, now we're gonna leave the car and show you what we're gonna do underneath. Well guys, the car is in the air, and first let's finish that bodywork and rust. And the biggest rust problem is right here, and we need to cut the inner fender and put new metal in, but that's really okay. The chassis is in good condition, so there is not gonna be too much problem. Now we need to remove the whole front suspension. So the upper control arm, the lower control arm, springs, shock absorber, everything needs to go. The only thing is gonna left is the CV axle. That's just, we are gonna just carry it up nicely to protect this car with Raptor, but that's in the future. So everything is going to get new here, new bushes, new springs, new shocks, and everything is going to be so good. So yeah, what next? Everything needs to go on this side. Then we move back. We need to remove the exhaust. We are gonna remove our transfer case, and that's it. The gearbox, engine, and the front differential is gonna stay in place, and everything else needs to go. So what else? This is a lot of spots where it's rusted, but this car is in really good condition, and it's just in time to protect it, because it's starting to rust, but it's going to be so much good when we finish this. So yeah, it's just in time. Here is always some big rust, but everything here looks nicely, so this is just good. I can't believe it. Well, now we go on the rear differential, and we just need everything to remove. We need to drop everything to have it nice and clean for the new protection coat. And the shock absorber, it's really time to remove it. He came just in right time, so this is going to be one awesome car when it's finished. So we need to put new shocks, new springs, new bushes. We are gonna paint it black so it looks nicely, and that's, guys, that's what the plan for this car, and there's so much stuff to do. I can't wait. So yeah, this is it for this video, and it's going to be such an awesome project. We have new Niva on the channel, and it's just going to be so cool. So many parts, so many work, and hopefully not too many surprises, but in this job there is always something. I know something is going to be, but hopefully nothing too much. So yeah guys, for today, this is it, and just like, share and subscribe. It helps me a lot, and to make more videos like this, and it's just awesome. It's so cool to have hands here free. I don't have to hold the camera, so this is just awesome. So yeah guys, this is it, and see you in the next video. Bye!